going on, guys? Falcon here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the color of an object inside of Photoshop. So for instance, you want to change the color of this beautiful Audi right here to the color of Adobe's blue. That is this one right here. By the way, I'm on brandcolors.com. Here you can find all the colors of the big brands, not sponsored by the way. And you have to copy this hex code right here. Just copy that, and now it's done. The job of that website, not the job of Photoshop. You gotta copy that hex code, paste that hex code in this color picker and just create a square, rectangle, anything out of it. And I'm gonna make a new layer. Command or control backspace to fill in the selection, and this is the color which we want in this Audi right here. So now take the color picker back again and search for a place where the color is flat. You don't want a color to have shadows or highlights. Like over here the color has highlights, over here the color has shadows. This is not the perfect color. This is the place in this car which shows the perfect color of the car. This is the color of the car. Hit OK, and now create another square above this and just hit Control or Command backspace. You have to make it on a new layer though. You have two layers right now. One is for the blue and one is for the red. And now the blue one should be above the red. The sample color should be above the color which you want to change. Forget about everything. Just come to these squares right here, and what you want to focus on is removing this line. So for that, just create a hue and saturation adjustment layer. This is all you have to use, and just play with the hue, but first change it to reds because that's the color we are targeting in this picture. And now just play with the hue a bit and just see which hue matches the best. I think this one right here. Let's check 150. 50. Yup. So minus 150 matches the best with the color of this. You can see that line has already disappeared, and now you can zoom out, and magically the color of the car is also changed. Now you can delete this squares right here, but you can see some excess area is also selected. Removing that will be easy. Just take your brush and just start painting black on the areas which you want to hide by selecting the mask right here, and that's gonna hide all the areas which are extras. So I'm just gonna do it quickly. Alright, so now you can see the color of the car has changed. I just missed this part right here, but it doesn't matter. So I'll just remove it quickly. This was the Audi logo, Audi Sport logo, and that is perfect. Now you can see we have changed the color of car to from red to blue, and the blue which we wanted. So you can use this technique to change the color of pretty much anything, and this is a really cool technique. So guys, if you liked it, subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, comment down below. I'm gonna bring more Photoshop tips and tricks every week, and you guys can subscribe for that. And that was it for today's video, guys. If you like this, subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, comment down below, and peace out.